Okay, I'm back. Still cleaning up, but I just want to go over a couple points that a couple things need to be done still. I don't know if you can see that this floor is still getting wet, so I'm going to take this wall out here, see what's behind it, see why the outside is I guess it's leaking from the outside wall. But anyway, so yeah, got this area down here clean, really nice. Here also, still gotta fix this little patch of floor right here. But here's the wall finished. Where the doors were. Yeah, everything's coming together. Everything's getting clean, getting swept up. All this by the chimney, fireplace. It's all cleaned up. The garage. Okay. There's all the cabinets we're saving. I cleaned up the big mess out here, and this is another project that I gotta do on this back side. I'll show this too. This right here, this wall, it's gonna need some work done. Think about 5 sheets of that hardy board, whatever they call it. About 5 sheets will do it. So we gotta get that done for sure. Okay. And another one we gotta finish. I'll take you to. Need to fix this right here. It's a little rotten. Also this side, the garage doors. It's pretty rough. Okay, so that, back of the house, on the wall, the dining room area, I still have at least two rotten boards in this corner that I'm going to have to replace. I may even scab this bottom one in if it's bad, but might be good. Yeah, and I still got to get some sheetrock and insulation out this wall and this wall here. It's, just old insulation. Okay, so we'll go upstairs. I haven't cleaned upstairs, but I'm on my way to do it. Okay, this bathroom here, this tub, got to replace this board. I don't know if you can see, maybe this one, but it feels solid. And I'm going to patch the floor under that right there this week. So those are basically, I'm showing the repairs that I'm going to be doing this week with the tub, the wall, the back of the house, the garage. But yeah, I haven't cleaned up here like I said, but it's coming together. The wall's finished behind the chimney. Looks really good. I don't know if you can see it out this window. Here's the new piece in the chimney. And not a lot of my lights work, but this one does. And yeah, this bathroom here is finished also. Okay, well basically I think that's gonna be it on the repairs. Just the bathroom board, the wall in here where the kitchen and dining room, or the kitchen area is gonna be. This wall here is coming out. I'm gonna be putting if I can get my hand right, putting a beam up top to hold the weight up there. And yeah, so find out what's happening here. Bathroom board, those two boards in the dining room, getting the insulation out, the back wall behind the house. And that's about it on repairs. We're gonna get her cleaned up real nice, and have it looking good. And this week also I'm gonna be popping one of these aluminum windows here out, and seeing how tough it's gonna be. You see this aluminum in there, and then you got the brick. So I'll figure that out this week and get it measured up and get a count and see, get that ordered so we can get the new windows in. But yeah, basically I just want to give an update on how everything's coming. And we gotta get somebody here to cut this grass again. Yeah, I know this video is kind of long. Y'all probably getting bored with me and walking around the house, but just kind of want to show a little bit of what's going on. Get us some paint. We'll get this thing painted, looking nice. The chimney and everything painted up. Yeah, but got a lot of stuff going on here. Sorry, my GoPro broke. I've been using my cell phone. I'm gonna make some more videos once I get my GoPro going. I'll be able to sit on the tripod, get some how-to videos, how I do everything. But anyway, I was just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Yeah, click, like, comment. You know, if y'all see anything that I could do differently to help me out, you know, I'll get on there and answer your questions. But I guess that's it, everybody. See you next time.